Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are having a great day, having a fantastic week so far. Making this quick video, we have made it to day number 13 in the mileage and secret system. Today is April the 22nd. Okay, and we're shooting another video here for the series. Just wanted to show you guys a quick video on how to send out an email in the mileage and secret system and show you the guys the results from the Clickbank and what we sent out an email yesterday and show you if we got any results from the email that we sent out yesterday. Okay. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides you 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. And these leads are make money online leads. These people are looking for ways to earn income online, guys. Okay. So the cool thing about the My Lead Gen Secret system is that all we have to do is worry about one niche, okay, one section, okay, of the ClickBank um, network on where we need to concentrate on, okay, guys, and that's going to be the e-business, e-marketing niche, okay. Now, Mileage and Secret, I've been with them over 3 years now. I totally love the service. I've been sending out different offers to this system for a long time now, guys, and I guess this system does work. It does convert. I've earned income with it. I've received paychecks from this system. Okay, so I can tell you that this is legit. And if you guys wanted to get started, I did leave a link below this video for you guys to get started. Now there is a one-time charge of $60 to get started, okay, and then $30 a month to keep the service. All right. Now, if you want to collect 100 to 200 emails every single day, this will be the system for you. Now, one thing that we need as affiliate marketers that any marketer needs, any business need online is traffic. All right. So this is going to be the place that you're going to be able to build traffic from, guys. And this is what I would recommend to you guys. If you guys are new coming into the affiliate marketing space, this would be something I would recommend to you guys. All right. So I want to just show you guys real quick. I'm not going to take too much of your time. I'm just going to show you guys how to send out an email in the system. I did send out my email already for today, but I am going to show you guys how to send out an email in the system. Okay. So if you sign up today at the link below, your back office is going to look exactly like this, guys. This is the My Legion Secret System back office. This is going to show you the home screen, just kind of overview of everything. Your account is going to look exactly like this. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out, possibly. Okay, and you have your my leads here, which show you all the emails that you're getting every single day. So as you can see, from the 17th all the way up to the 22nd, I've been receiving 200 emails every single day, guys. All right, so this is going to be the master email swipes. These are going to be email swipes that you can pay for that are very highly converting emails. Okay, now the emails, if you don't want to pay for that, which is an extra $30, if you don't want to pay for that, there are free email swipes that we're going to use from the vendor from ClickBank. Okay, so you really don't need to go in here and pay for this. All right, so this one right here, guys, is the mailing system. You got statistics on basically seeing how you're doing on emails. Affiliates, kind of showing you the commissions and how you can get paid through the mileage and secret system itself. Recommended advertising and about. Okay, the main section that you're going to be in is going to be the mailing system, because this is where you're going to send out all your emails. All right, so what we would do is click on the mailing system. You want to select the last emails that have came in. Yours may not say 200,000 because I've maxed out the system here, and you will send all those emails that you've collected, okay, every day. You're just going to select them, and they're going to move over here to the portal. This is where we can send out an email, and it's going to go to all these people here. Okay, so I'm going to send out one email to all of these subscribers. All right, so we're going to come down here to where it says subject line. What we're going to do is we're going to grab the free email swipes from ClickBank. All right, so let's go ahead and log into our ClickBank account. Now, if you don't know what ClickBank is a network marketing platform that provides different offers anywhere from health and fitness to make money online, to cooking. There's a lot of different categories that you can pick from. Okay, but again, the niche that works the best is going to be this e-business, e-marketing. Right, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. All right. And we're just going to come down here to the offer that we're going to be promoting for 365 for 1 year is going to be one offer, and it's going to be this live chat jobs here. Okay. Now we're going to go to the affiliate page and we're going to grab the free email swipes they provide. All right. So you just want to come down here to the email swipes. All right, good deal there. And we just want to come down here to the free email swipes. Now, all of these emails are going to be the emails that we are using, okay, in the Miley Gen secret system. And today we're on day number 13, okay? So we're going to send out day number 13's email, all right? So you want to go to the subject line and you want to control C to copy the subject line. You want to come back over here to the Miley Gen secret system, control V. Okay, you have a customer waiting on Facebook, and you want to come down here to the subject line. Now, the subject line, you want to click on perfect timing. Just remember, always put a check mark in there. All right. And then you want to come back over here to the system and you want to grab the body of the text. Okay, this is going to be your email. And then the link that we're going to use is going to be right here. Now, this link is tailored for this email. So whenever we put this and connect it with this, it's going to convert a little bit better. All right. So you're going to get more people that, are going to be, it's going to be easier for them to click on the link and then go and see an offer that's related to the email that they just seen. It's pretty cool. All right. So we're just going to come here, going to control A, control V. Pretty easy, guys. It's going to take our signature. We're going to either put in your name or management, whichever one, all right, that you feel comfortable with. We're going to come up here to where it says first name. We want to address our prospect by their first name. So we're going to control C, come down here to the system, and then we want to the body, and then we just want to control V. Very easy to do. So as you can see, it's going to address our prospect by their first name. It's going to say, hi, Jermaine, hi, whoever their name is. How would you like to spend your day chatting with people on Facebook, right? So our prospect is going to read this email. And when it gets to this section right here where it says join the team because hundreds of businesses are waiting for someone like you, what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this text right here and we're going to turn this into a clickable link. All right. So what we would do is we want to go ahead and grab the link from our vendor. Okay. So you just want to come here and then just control C. And then we want to come here and control V. Right. And then we just want to take that front part out, obviously. Okay. Boom. And then we want to come here to the affiliate tab, your ClickBank affiliate ID. So whatever your affiliate ID is, you want to put it in right here. This is super important that you get this right, guys, because if not, this email is going to go out to thousands of people, okay, hundreds of people, okay, and no one is going to, if they do buy, ClickBank is going to get your commission, okay. You're not going to get anything. You're not going to get a dime, okay, because you didn't fill this out correctly, okay. So what you want to do is click on OK. And what this is going to do is going to turn this into a clickable link. And you want to control A, okay? And then you want to turn the size either to 16 or 18, whichever one you feel comfortable with. And as you can see, look at this email, okay? Hi, Jermaine. How would you like to spend your day chatting with people on Facebook? Everything looks good in this email, okay? When they come down here, to this, and after they read this paragraph, they're going to see this where it says join the team. Our prospects are going to click on this, okay? And then when our prospects click on this, it's going to take them to our affiliate page, okay? And let me show you what that is, all right? So it's going to take them to this page right here. Let me see here. Sorry, guys. Let me see. Let's go ahead and go back here. And then let's go ahead and take right here. Boom. All right, let me see. I just want to grab that. There we go. Control C. I just want to show you guys what this web page looks like. All right. All right, guys. So as you can see, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to take our prospect to this. This is the landing page that it's going to take them to. All right. And they're going to read this job opportunity, and it's going to take them and they're going to click here. All right. So once they click there, they can sign up, get started, started working, started earning income. Okay. So our job is to get our prospect to this link. Now in this link, it's going to have your embedded code on it. Okay. So it's going to be tailored to you. So that way you get the commission. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the Miley Gen Secret system. All right, guys. It's very easy to do. And you guys can get started right now at the link below if you guys want to follow along with me. Okay. Now, I just want to let you guys in on a disclaimer. There's no guarantee that you're going to make anything from this system because I don't know you guys, okay? I don't know if you're going to go out, do these steps, okay? And there's other people out here promoting this and making money. I don't know if you're going to go out and do this type of stuff, okay? Now, if you are someone who's motivated, who's looking to earn that extra income, maybe you need extra income for gas, light bill, gas bill, groceries, mortgage, car payment, whatever, okay? This type of income is the extra income that you could make, okay, to pay for those things that you need. All right, guys. So I just wanted to throw that out there with you, to you, okay, and to show you how all this works. All right. Now that's how you send out an email. Okay. We've made it to day number 13 in this system. Just wanted to show you guys how to send out an email. Let's go ahead and hop on over here to Clickbank and let's see the results that we did from last night. All right. So let's go ahead and go over here to Clickbank. And let's go ahead and go over here to the dashboard. Well, first, let's go ahead and go over to the reporting tab. Okay, today's the 22nd. And let's see the traffic here. Today we did social sales rep right here. We got 646 hops, okay, which is pretty good. 477 hops, unique hops. So these are brand new visitors that came to our page. All right. Now the good thing is that we got 3 people that came to the checkout page. They whipped out their credit card. They're wanting to buy, right? For some reason they buy, or for some reason they don't buy. All right. And today, unfortunately, someone they did not sign up. We didn't get an initial sale today. Okay, which is no biggie. But as if you look over here, guys, this is we did earn a commission today because this is the commission from the free trial that someone signed up from a few days ago. Okay, so remember when we get a free trial, we're going to get that commission in the next 3 to 4 days. Okay. So we did get a commission today. Okay. Which is really good. All right. So, that tells me that this right here, what that means is that the reason why we picked this offer, because it does have a residual rebill to it every single month. Okay. Which is the best. All right. So imagine doing all the work one time, getting paid for that work, and then you're getting paid every month for that email that we sent out. Okay, which is that's what this is. All right. So this right here, we're going to get paid months and months over and over and over again till our prospects decides they don't want to be a part of the program anymore. Okay, which is what I've statistically what I found out is that someone does stay on the program for at least 3 to 6 months. Okay. I've had people stay on, over 6 months now on this program. Okay, so what that tells me is that it's working for them. Okay, so we did receive a commission. So what this means, we've had, maybe 4 or 5 sales now that we've have received, and we're going to receive those same 4 sales next month. Okay, we're going to get a rebill for $80. All right, that's going to come in like clockwork next month on top of the new sales that we get coming in, guys. So eventually, as you can see, guys, this is the snowball effect that I'm talking about. Okay, you do the work one time, you stay with this for however many months it takes, and you start getting those rebills on top of new sales, and then that's how we start earning income online, guys. So just wanted to show you that method, guys. Show you how all this works. You guys can get started today, okay? For it's very inexpensive to get started. Clickbank is free to join; doesn't cost you anything. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I kind of want to just show you guys how to send out an email. I wanted to show you the results from the email that we sent last night. We're going to come back here tomorrow and check out the results from the email that we sent out tonight because we did send out an email tonight. Okay. And we won't be able to see the results till tomorrow. Okay. So I'm going to leave this video on that note and I'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.